please, pause the happy music. I'm not gonna candy coat anything. I got a full-time job, cause I got bills to pay, so I gotta get to work, and on time. I'm not a morning person though. What do I do? Any of this sound familiar? Of course it does. Mornings are horrible. And despite all of the studies, the natural alternatives, supplements, and blah 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 to wake up in the morning, for me, nothing beats a warm cup of coffee. Now, I'm sure there's folks that have sensitivity to coffee or caffeine or just don't like coffee. For those, I've got some good news. Cue that happy music again. When it comes to feeling good in the morning, there are alternatives that work. I've reluctantly tried them. I'm not selling you any cool product, and other than your regular grocery money and a few shifts in your morning routine, these alternatives will help you wake up almost as good as my beloved coffee does. So in the coffee versus apple contest, there's no secret there. Coffee wins, hands down, at least for me. Coffee versus an apple is like Mike Tyson versus Peter McNeely. It's not even really a fight. Google it. But what if Tyson had to fight 3 more Peter McNeelys at the same time? Same outcome? Probably not. So here's what to do to give this apple a fighting chance against my coffee. Number 1, pry yourself out of bed and open your shades. If you can open your windows for some outside air, do it. That light and external air, instant energy influx. I'm not gonna go into the science behind it. There's plenty of videos and articles on that already. All I can say is try it as soon as you pry yourself out of the fluffy goodness that is your bed. Number 2, after the light and air, stand right where you are and just squat down, butt to calves, and stand up. Do that 10 times at your pace and bracing onto something if you need an assist to do it. Takes no more than 20 seconds to finish, even if you're slow like me, but you'll see the energy will come from somewhere. Number 3, after the squats, just drop to a comfortable place on the floor and do 10 easy crunches or any simple exercise to activate your core. Again, the idea here isn't full-blown workout mode. It's simple movement and muscle activation to get your blood moving. This takes not even another 20 seconds. Number 4, on the same spot you're laying, turn over, belly down, and 10 push-ups. Even if you cheat and do them on your knees other than your toes, 20 more seconds, you're done, and bam, more energy. When you get up from that, if you're still just as tired as you were when you woke up, I'd be shocked. I reluctantly do this, and it actually feels pretty good. And it's relatively easy, and doesn't even take 2 minutes total. Then, go to your kitchen, grab your apple, rinse, cut, core, and eat. Will you feel as good as I feel when I drink my coffee? Probably not, but it's definitely an alternative that worked for me and got pretty darn close. If you can combine them all, I mean the apple, the movement, the light, and a cup of coffee, watch out world, we got a new morning person. Okay, I'm kidding, but give this a try. Subscribe if you found this helpful, like the video, comment with suggestions you have to enhance this material, and spread the word. We're always open to illuminating our mindset further. And remember, something amazing, no matter how small, is coming your way today. See you in the next one.